So I've always had kind of a dominant personality, aggressive, some will say. I like to call it assertive. One of the ways I tried to mitigate that when I was younger is to tell people, hey, I just need this thing, whatever that thing was, right? I didn't give any timelines, I didn't give any deadlines, I didn't give it anything other than, hey, can I get this? What I meant was, hey, can I get this by 2 o'clock today? But I didn't want to say that. I didn't say it because I thought that would mitigate my dominant kind of personality, telling people what I need and when I need it. And what I found is that when you don't provide people what your expectations are, they have no chance of meeting those expectations. So there's a new formula that I use now when we talk about things that we need from others, and that is, here's what I need, from who, by when. Clear, concise, people know what you expect, and they're able to deliver on time. Good luck.